April is one of the most important planting months for perennials, especially if you want them to establish before summer heat arrives. The right plants can settle in quickly, build stronger roots, and reward you with a much better performance through the rest of the season. In this video, we're looking at 7 perennials you shouldn't miss planting in April, including a mix of reliable favorites and a few more distinctive picks.
Now, before we begin, don't forget, you can find all the plants and tools featured in our videos through the link on your screen or in the description.
Number 1. Amsonia Storm Cloud. Amsonia Storm Cloud is a refined perennial that brings both flowers and foliage interest to the garden. In spring, it produces clusters of soft blue star-shaped flowers above dark stems, creating a look that feels elegant and quietly dramatic. As the season continues, the plant forms a full, lush mound that adds structure long after the flowers are gone. One reason April is such a good time to plant Amsonia is that this perennial can be a slow starter. Giving it a full spring season to establish helps it develop the deep, strong root system that makes it so dependable later on. Once settled in, it becomes drought tolerant and requires very little maintenance. Instead of waiting until late spring or summer, planting Amsonia in April gives it the cool season window it needs to settle in gradually. That early establishment makes a big difference, especially for gardeners who want a perennial that becomes stronger and easier with time. Number 2. Black-Eyed Susan goldsturm. Black-Eyed Susan goldsturm is one of the most recognizable summer-blooming perennials, and for good reason. Its bright golden yellow flowers with dark centers bring warmth and energy to the garden, creating a cheerful display that lasts for weeks. The plant has a naturally vigorous habit that helps borders feel fuller and more alive. April planting works especially well for Rudbeckia because it gives the roots time to establish before the hotter, drier part of summer arrives. By the time blooming season begins, the plant is already settled and ready to perform with much less stress. This head start often leads to stronger growth and a better overall display. For gardeners who want an easy and dependable perennial, April is the perfect time to get goldsturm in the ground. It settles in quickly, adapts well to sunny sites, and becomes one of those reliable plants that return year after year with very little fuss. Number 3. Geum Totally Tangerine. Geum Totally Tangerine is a vibrant perennial that adds airy orange color to the spring and early summer garden. Its flowers seem to float above the foliage on wiry stems, creating a lighter, looser look than many more traditional border plants. The warm tangerine tone also makes it an excellent bridge between spring and summer color palettes. This is one of those perennials that performs especially well when planted while temperatures are still mild. Cool spring weather helps it establish comfortably without the stress of intense heat, allowing the roots to settle in before the main blooming season begins. That early planting window often leads to a healthier and longer-lasting plant. Rather than waiting until the season gets too warm, April is one of the best times to plant Geum for reliable success. It gives the plant time to adapt, root in well, and start producing the airy blooms that make it such a standout in mixed perennial beds. Number 4. Lavender hidcote. Lavender hidcote is a compact, fragrant perennial known for its deep purple flowers and silvery foliage. It brings a clean, Mediterranean feel to garden borders and works beautifully in sunny, well-drained areas. Even when not in bloom, the foliage adds texture and a soft contrast to greener plants. While lavender is often associated with hot, dry conditions, it actually benefits from being planted at the right time. If planted too early when the soil is still cold and wet, it can struggle to establish. But once conditions begin to warm slightly, it becomes much easier for the plant to settle in. That's why April is a great window for planting lavender, as long as the soil is draining well and temperatures are stabilizing. Planting it now gives the roots time to establish before the heat of summer, setting it up for long-term success. Number 5. Thalictrum black stockings. Thalictrum black stockings is a tall, airy perennial that adds elegance and movement to garden borders. Its dark stems rise above the foliage, carrying soft clouds of lavender-purple flowers that seem to float in the air. The overall effect is light, natural, and very refined. This perennial performs best when it can establish during the cooler part of the growing season. If planted too late, it may struggle to adapt before summer heat arrives, especially in exposed, sunny locations. Giving it time to root in early makes a noticeable difference in how it performs. April is an ideal time to plant Thalictrum because it allows the plant to settle in gradually before temperatures rise. With that early head start, it grows taller, stronger, and becomes a much more reliable presence in the garden. Number 6. Daylily Stella d'Oro. Daylily Stella d'Oro is a compact, repeat-blooming perennial that's loved for its reliability and long flowering season. Its golden yellow blooms appear again and again throughout the season, bringing consistent color to sunny borders. The tidy clumps of foliage also help keep the garden looking neat and structured. One of the reasons daylilies are so popular is their adaptability. They tolerate a wide range of soil conditions and are incredibly easy to grow, making them ideal for low-maintenance gardens. However, giving them a proper start early in the season helps maximize their performance. Planting daylilies in April allows them to establish strong roots before summer heat kicks in. With that early head start, they produce better blooms and settle into the garden more quickly, becoming a dependable long-term plant. Number 7. Baptisia pink truffles. Baptisia pink truffles is a bold, long-lived perennial with soft pink pea-like flowers and a strong shrub-like presence that brings both structure and softness to garden borders. Baptisia is known for developing deep roots, which makes it incredibly drought-tolerant and low-maintenance over time. However, that same deep root system means it doesn't like being moved once established. Getting it planted at the right time is key to long-term success. April is one of the best times to plant Baptisia because it gives the roots an entire season to establish before summer stress. With that early head start, the plant settles in properly and becomes one of the most reliable, long-lasting perennials in the garden. Planting in April isn't just about timing, it's about giving your perennials the best possible start. With the right choices, you can build a garden that establishes quickly and performs better throughout the entire season. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which perennial you're planting this April.